Let us discuss a problem on relation of the form y equal to a b power x means it is nothing but the power form of the curve fitting by the method of the least squares. For the following data by the method of the least squares. Values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y values of the corresponding x is 8.3, 15.4, 33.1, 65.2, 127.4. It can be solved by taking off log on both sides, either base 10 or base e. Already I discussed base e form of the problem. Now I am taking log base 10 value. Okay. First we can take the curve to be fitted is, let the curve to be fit in the form y equal to a b power x. Let it be equation 1. By the method of the least squares, we can take the log either base 10 or log base e of equation 1. From this log, I am taking base 10. Why? Because in the earlier class, previous class, I took the base e. Log y base 10 equal to log of a b power x base 10. It is equal to log a base 10 plus log b power x base 10. So log y base 10 equal to log a base 10 plus x log b base 10. It is the second equation. In this, we can take the general form of equation. That is nothing but let log y base 10 is equal to capital Y, log a base 10 equal to capital A, small x is equal to capital X, log b base 10 equal to capital B. Substitute or write in equation 2. Then it becomes y is equal to a plus bx. It is the third equation. Now we can take the normal form of the equation 3. The normal equations are sigma y is equal to n capital A plus b sigma x. Sigma x y is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Since here n is equal to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means the number of values for x and y is 5 terms. So n equal to 5. Let it be equation 4. Now we can take the data. The data is x values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The small x is equal to capital X only. Next, the y values are small y equal to 8.3, 15.4, 33.1, 65.2, 127.4. Now we can take log y base 10 value is equal to capital Y. Take the galaxy. Here log of 8.3 base 10 like that. It is equal to 1.9191. Okay. We can take the 4 corrected decimal values. Next, log of 15.4 base 10 value is 1.1875. Log of 33.1 base 10 equal to 1.5198. Log of 65.2 base 10 value is 1.8142. Log of 127.4 base 10 equal to 2.1050. Summation of all these values, sigma y is equal to 8.5458. The sigma x equal to 5, 10, 5, 20. Next, sigma x square. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. So sigma x square equal to, it's 40, it's 25, 25, 50, 90. And the sigma xy, the product of x2 into 1.9192, that is 1.8382. 3 into 1.1875, 3.5625. 4 into 1.5198, 6.0792. 5 into 1.8142, that is 9.07110. 6 into 2.1052 is 12.631. Summation of xy equal to 33.1819. So these values substitute in equation 4. Sigma y equal to 8.5458 equal to n is 5a plus b sigma x, that is 20b. It is equation 5. And sigma xy is 33.1819 equal to sigma x means 20a plus sigma x square is 90b. Now this is divided with 10. 10 twos are 20, 10 nines are 90. 10 threes are 30, point threes are 30, 1, 8, 1. And here 5 ones are 5, 4s are 5 ones are 5, 3 is the remainder, 5 sevens are 35, 0, 5 nines are 45, 5 ones are. So it is 6. From this 1.7091 is equal to a plus 4b. From this 3.3181 equal to 2a plus 9b. This equation, whole equation is multiplying with 2. Then it becomes 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 sevens are 14, 1, 2 ones are 2. 3.4182 equal to 2a plus 8b. 2.3181 equal to 2a plus 9b. Subtract from one to another. These are get cancelled. It is 1, 0, 0, 1.0 equal to minus b. So from this b equal to minus 0.1. That is the b value. So b equal to minus 0.1, substitute in equation 5. So 8.5458 equal to, or 1.7091 equal to a plus 4 into minus 0.1. So a equal to, here a plus minus 0.4 is taking to left side, 1.7091 plus 0.4 equal to 19011 1, 2.10, capital A equal to 2.1091, capital B equal to minus 0.1. Now we can take log small b base 10 equal to capital B. So small b equal to 10 power b. Small 10 power minus 0.1. 0.7943. Next, log small a base 10 equal to capital A. So small a equal to 10 power a equal to 10 power 2.1091 equal to 128.5582. Are you taking? Okay. So the required equation is y equal to ab power x. A is 128.5582. B is 0.7943 whole power x. It is the required equation.